Namaste. I'm Dr. Pravisha Pandey, Assistant Professor Home Science. Currently, I am posted at Srimati B.D. Jain Girls PG College, Agra. Here, the topic of my presentation is importance of nutrition. Before going to ahead, we all should know about what is food, nutrition, and nutrients. Foods, anything we eat that nourishes our body. Nutrition is the science of food and how they nourishes our body, whereas nutrients is a chemical component of food that we eat that are required for regulation of our well-being. Now matter is that why nutrition is so important. This slide shows the various importance of good nutrition. Good nutrition improves our overall well-being in a various way. This slide also shows the different points of importance of nutrition. Poor diet or poor nutrition can reduce our well-being. It makes a health concerns. It can be very expensive. We have to spend more money on our health issues. Good nutrition helps to maintain our good body weight. It strengthens our immune system that protect us from the various infectious diseases. It delays the process of aging. It makes us energetic. It reduces the risk of various chronic diseases. It boosts our moods and improves our working environments. At last, it increases our life expectancy. The first 1,000 days of a child's lives, nutrition has a very crucial role for their growth and overall physical well-being and their cognition. They are the various components of food which we termed as nutrients. They are fat, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, and water. Then what are the roles of carbohydrate in our diet? Carbohydrate is a major nutrients of our diet, can be considered as a macromolecules. It is a major portion of our diet comes from the carbohydrate. It is the main source of energy. It provides us instant energy in the form of glucose. It contributes the dietary fiber. Plant-based carbohydrate-rich foods are rich in dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is important for the reducing various types of degenerative diseases, and it is also good for the gastrointestinal health. It reserves energy in the form of glycogen in the liver. Now this slide shows the various sources of carbohydrate, and next we see the functions of protein. Why we eat protein? Protein provides us energy. It supports the growth and maintenance of our body. Antibodies are made up from protein. They protect us from the various types of diseases. In the form of hemoglobin, it transports the nutrition and oxygen. Here this slide shows the various rich sources of plant and animal based protein. Then we come to the functions of fat. Fat provided the insulation, protection. It is a source of energy, concentrated energy reserve. It is a source of concentrated energy which is reserved in the body. It required for the regulation of other body functions. Fat soluble vitamins are fat facilitate the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. This slide shows the various sources of good and fat. This slide shows the various sources of good and fat fats. We should to differentiate between good fats and bad fat. Now we come on the vitamins. Vitamins we are an organic substances. Body required it in a very tiny amount. Here in the slides some important vitamins are mentioned. Vitamins can be categorized into two major parts. One is fat soluble vitamins, that includes vitamin A, D, E and K, whereas water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin A, D, E, K, body reserve it for the future use, whereas vitamin C and B complex vitamins are not reserved in the body. Vitamin A is required for the healthy vision, growth, immune system, and reproduction, whereas B complex vitamins promote overall health well being, essential for the cell metabolism. Vitamin C uh, acts as an antioxidant. It makes collagen and promoting the immune system. Vitamin D is required for the healthy teeth and bones. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that reduces the aging process and required for the well-being of skin, eye, liver health, heart and brain health. Whereas vitamin K is required for the blood clotting after an injury or cut is found. Functions of minerals. Min, uh, minerals are uh, minerals are inorganic components found in food products. Here we mentioned some very important minerals. Calcium is required for the formation of bones and teeth. Magnesium, it required as a cofactor for metabolic process. Iron in the form of hemoglobin, responsible for transportation of oxygen and facilitate the respiration in every cell throughout the body. Potassium regulate heartbeat. Zinc, it requires for the boost our immunity and wound healing. Chlorine, chlorine made the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is found in stomach and required for the protein digestion. Whereas iodine, it produces the thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is very important for the growth and mental development. Here phosphorus is required for synthesis of DNA and bones. Sodium, it regulates the body fluids. Now, it maintains the electrolyte balance. Copper is required for the metabolism of iron. It also makes some enzymes that are required for the metabolic process. Now last is selenium. Selenium functions as an antioxidant. Also it acts as an enzyme in a metabolic process. Here now how we balance our diet. ICMR, this is the food groups. This is the 5 food groups given by Indian Council of Medical Research. Food groups of collection of foods that share similar nutrient properties. Here this pyramid shows that the large portion of our diet should be from cereals and grains. After that from pulses and legumes, then milks and meat products. After that the amount should be from fruits and vegetables, and minimum amount, less amount should be from fat and sugars. These 5 food groups require in daily diet for our healthy well-being. This slide also shows the some sources of 5 food groups, and this slide shows the portion of food which we should require. At last, we want to say that nutrition matters a lot for our overall well-being. Thank you.